Bonjour tout le monde, I'm Cassie, your French tutor so you can learn French the French way. And today I have a few recommendations for you so you can watch movies and series in French and learn from that. Donc t'es prêt? On y va! The series and movies I'm gonna recommend you are either from France or French-speaking countries, like Belgium. So I would recommend that you use subtitles. It is way easier, and if you don't feel like following an entire show or an entire movie in French without any help, do not feel ashamed. Just use the subtitles. Now for the recommendations. Bonjour madame. Tu viens regarder la télé avec moi? So the first movie I recommend is La Famille Bélier from 2014 and directed by Éric Lartigot. This one I love to recommend it to my students because the story is about a family of deaf people, except one who is the main protagonist. That means that it is extremely easy to understand. Why? Because she's interpreting everything for her family. So she speaks slowly, she articulates a lot, and that makes it extremely easy to follow. Also, the entire movie, she's singing, and all the songs are from Michel Sardou, who is extremely popular in French culture, though maybe from older generations. So, Maman, I know it's her favorite singer. So I know all his songs almost by heart, thanks to my mom. Coucou! This movie, I mean, it has good vibes, it's about family, it's about love. It's easy to follow, I definitely recommend it.
Hey. They call me help.
La mycose de ta mère, c'était temps.
Oh, arrête maman, j'ai plus 4 ans.
Je viens d'apprendre que j'en reprends pour 2 ans.
Then we have L'Arnaqueur. L'Arnaqueur with Vanessa Paradis, whom you may have heard about before, and an actor that I love, Romain Duris. This movie is from 2010, directed by Pascal Chaumet. The story is completely crazy. Let's be honest, it is completely out of this world. Romain Duris, I don't remember the name of the character, but he's embodying a professional serial seductor, I guess, hired to break up couples. But it is completely crazy, though the situations are funny, it is easy to understand, and there are plenty of international references. For example, a movie that we talk a lot about in that movie is Dirty Dancing. And also there is Andrew Lincoln in that movie that you probably know from The Walking Dead. Oh, and also in La Famille Bélier and L'Arnaqueur, you have a Belgian actor, François Damiens, who is also a comedian and he's amazing.
Je suis briseur de couple professionnel.
Voici Juliette Vanderbeck. Tu as 10 jours pour mettre fin à leur relation.
Okay, third recommendation, it is Connasse, Princesse des Cœurs. So I picked this one because it has been directed by 2 women, so that was important for me to recommend you works from women as well. The movie is from 2015, directed by Noémie Célio and Héloïse Lang. This one is absolutely insane. Let's be honest, the plot is completely insane. So you have that very rude, very loud, very chatty woman. That's what makes it so funny. She's completely outrageous, completely extreme, but it works. It truly works. I love Camille Cotin, who is the main actress. She's incredible. She's such a good actress. She's so funny. She's so charismatic. Everything. This movie I recommend it because it is true French, like really how French people speak, but there is also plenty of English words because the plot is that she's going to London because she wants to marry Prince Harry. That was before his wedding. I think so. Anyway, so that makes it extremely accessible. That makes it quite easy to understand.
Ok les grosses, on est parti. In your country, in Japan, you have traffic. Si vous deviez épouser un prince, vous choisiriez qui?
Si j'étais vous, j'épouserais le prince Harry d'Angleterre, non?
Oh, le roux là? I'm Camilla, the Comtesse of Paris Intramuros.
I know sometimes you don't have time or you don't have the motivation or the energy to really review all the lessons and, you know, be super serious. I'm not, let's be honest. So watching series or movies in your target language is a very good way to practice, to learn, practice your listening skills. What I do a lot is when I catch a word, when I recognize a word, maybe I don't know what it means, but you know, I recognize that it is a word that maybe I've heard before, I repeat it out loud. So don't try to understand everything, certainly not, otherwise that will just be boring. Just go with the flow, enjoy the show, and I see you in the next video. Salut!